Can't let anybody know this happened again. They know that Brew and Feed is under siege. They might stop by my delicious spices, sauces, teas, balsamic vinegars, olive oils. Yeah, it's all healed now. Nobody will notice. All right, let's do this again. You know, I don't really want any beer. I don't have a taste for it anymore.
Chablis, don't you?
I do. I think I will go with some kind of Chablis or Blanc or some kind of wine. Yeah, I just don't have a taste for beer anymore. Whatever the Blandonian sent to bite me made me lose my taste for beer. Now I'm craving wine. Nothing against wine, but wine? This is crazy.